Hey Jason, I thought I'd make a little video clip kind of explaining what I'd like to do from our water conservation project here, because it's a lot easier to explain when you're looking at the area. So I'll just give you a brief little tour of what's going on here. What I'd like to do is build a irrigation testing station, and this is something that we had before my time at the club, and it got kind of dismantled and chopped up for reasons unknown. I'd like to rebuild it. We currently don't have a hydraulic testing station, so we've been using our air testing station in our shop to test kind of refurbished heads. And sometimes it passes the air test, it does not pass the hydraulic test, but ideally we know that things are working before we put them back in the ground. So I'll just give you a brief little run over here. So I'm gonna build this station off of the Bridges pump house. This is our 9-hole pump house, smaller pump house. And in the pump house from our previous iteration, we've got the hookup right here to set this up. And then obviously this was the pipe that was here from before. It's complete with a quarter turn valve already inside though. And the pipe runs through the wall and out to that little post over there. But right now all we've got is a length of HDP. And what was done before is just one station on the top. If we're gonna do this, we'd like to do it right. And I wanna basically take what we have here and butt it up to the post and then build a T on the top. So we have T going this way. On the one side, we have the irrigation head testing station. And then on the other side, do a station where we can spin on either a piece where we can test the effectiveness of a saddle that we've pulled, or spin on a valve testing station, electric valve, gate valve, any of those. So this would be kind of like a multi-use side on the right. What I also want to do is I want to chop this up and fuse in a quarter turn valve at the door here, so you can easily flip things on and off from the from outside, where you can actually see what's going on versus being in the pump house. And then we'll have gate valves up by the post there to manage the flow depending on which side, depending on what you're testing. All in all, I think this project, pretty good test of my irrigation skills. I'll have to rewire the electrical controls in here, as well as do probably 5 or 6 butt fuses. And it's really beneficial to our club here, obviously, because it's a whole lot cheaper to rebuild a head that maybe just has one broken part than it is to just keep replacing with brand new heads. So it'd be great if we have a testing station that we can double check that our rebuild heads are ready to rumble before we stick them back in the ground.